isn't it? Are you eating your Cheerios? Is that your new favorite thing? Is it your new favorite thing? Yum, yum. Are you eating your Cheerios? Yeah. Show me. Show me. What's in your hand? What's in your hand? Show me. Show me the Cheerios. You watching snowboarding, Hudson? Are you going to eat that Cheerio? Are those your Cheerios, Brody? Are those your new favorite thing? Are they? Yeah. Uh-oh. Hudson just dropped his Cheerios. Are you going to eat one? You got one in your hand, don't you? You missed it. You missed it.
Put my chair back in.
Okay, I'll help you.
Put my chair back in.
Can you say please?
Please. Put my chair back in.
Ooh, you just a ham for the camera tonight?
Put my chair back in.
Hudson.
Put my chair back in.
You say please?
Please.
Oh, that was good, Brody. There it is. There it is in your mouth. Are you going to get some more? Is that fun? Do you love eating like the big kids? Hey, sweetie. Hey, Smiley. Got some more in there? Did you pick up some more? Is that a Cheerio on your finger? Ooh, you're so sweet. Oh, it's so funny. Your two little teeth. Two little teeth. Oh, it's so funny. What's so funny?